Hey YouTube, I just finished killing a yellow jacket nest. There it is. It had to be about at least 30 of them. But here you go, here's some more dead. And then here's some more. So just beware guys of these. Super dangerous. They hurt when they sting. So, and what I use to get rid of them is this right here, Wasp Freeze 2. You can get this on Amazon. Works pretty well, better than the stuff you can get in the store. So yeah, and it shoots pretty far. So there you go. Kills the nest, the wasp, the eggs as well. So all right. Till next time, guys.